Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. YouTube channel. This is my first video as a YouTuber. Welcome. Okay, here it is. For starts, we're going to be talking about Nigerian flight attendants. Yes, currently flight attendants in Nigeria. I would have loved to mention the company, but leave that aside. Okay, I've been a flight attendant for over 2.5 years. It's almost 3 years, yeah. And so I'll wait for you guys to send me some questions, and don't forget to subscribe. Just click down below the subscribe button. Thank you very much. Bye bye.